Okay, so we're going to film on Khoasan Road right here, and this is the entrance to it, and we're going to basically walk all the way down and we'll film whatever we see along the way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Along the way. This gets pretty crazy at nighttime, so they're setting things up, but there's lots of people that are doing all kinds of stuff here.
Pad Thai, yeah.
Pad Thai, thank you.
Yeah, very good.
So you can see they're setting up right there, so later on there'll be this will be all lined up with a lot of stuff that they're selling and things like that. Since I'll let you know that I have been here in 1986, stayed traveled around, so it was a lot different back then. I think at that time it seems like the roads weren't paved. I don't remember though. I can't remember exactly. But a lot of the roads were not paved, so it's a pretty cool little spacing there. And it was basically people would watch videos, DVDs. So they'd buy books and watch DVDs, and a lot of the hostels there'd be hostels all lined up here. Now I think it's all businesses predominantly. But before, you would watch videos outside of your scorpions. Thank you. But before, you'd watch videos outside of your hostel, and hostels were like a couple dollars for a bed. I think those days are all gone now. I don't know what they are now, but probably more hotels and who knows. But basically you'd go up and down these streets and you'd be able to get all kinds of books. So I'd find like Train Spotting, whatever was popular in the 1990s. And that's something that you can't really do now. Now there's almost no books. It's almost impossible to find any books at all, any bookstores. You can find them. I searched for them the other day, about a year ago, to promote a book that I have. And it was really hard to find them. They're kind of off the side streets, and just not, people just don't read like that anymore. So now it's all internet. And DVDs too. Like before you would walk, and I used to catch all the best DVDs, but I can't do that anymore either because those are all obsolete now. Yeah, these clubs can be really loud at nighttime. This is one of them right here. Yeah, at nighttime this would be so loud you can hardly hear anything at all. Actually, there'll be all these clubs they'll kind of drown each other out, and there'll be like 3 or 4 loud things anywhere you're at that you can't really hear one particular thing, and it kind of has this real loud drowning effect. Let's see, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, it says. Lucky Beer. Tuk Tuk's always been here. So it's around Christmas time right now, 2019. Hello, how are you doing? So, okay. Yeah, I think I remember, like, at that time I remember there was like a couple bars, but generally there wasn't any. Now it's just like filled with all bars and all. You can buy, it's like one big long liquor shelf now. At that time I think I just remember it was kind of quiet, and like hostels, quiet comparatively. There was basically a lot of hostels, and you would you know, drink while watching something on the DVD. And there's a couple bars you could walk down to. And I think I remember the roads kind of dusty and dirty. Or now they're quite clean, well paved, and all kinds of things. And actually now there's it keeps expanding outward as well. So I think I remember years ago I stayed on the other side of the temple, which was directly behind us. And over there was like nothing. You had to walk to the temple, and there was cats and dogs being fed. And now all that stuff is gone. Hello, how are you?
Yes, good. So massage?
There's the prices. All right, Khoasan Spa.
Yeah, Khoasan Spa.
Thank you. Comes a taxi behind us. I didn't think they let in the cars, but I guess if they come in. Pretty cool design up there. scorpions. Hello, how are you? So I guess they walk up and down the street selling scorpions. I don't remember scorpions from years ago, but I remember people, I think it's becomes more popular. People talk about it, so now they try to provide more of them. So, okay. We're almost at the end. I do remember years ago at the end there was a number of bookstores. I think there might still be one now, but I think there used to be like 15 bookstores, something crazy. And I looked around this entire area recently and there was like 3. And one of them was really small. One of them was down an alley over here. And then I think there was one up on the straight ahead as well. It's gonna park there, I think. I'm guessing we have customers that are on the street or something. Marketplace. Another YouTuber. You can always catch the YouTubers going up and down the street, right? This is the crocodile. Yeah, crocodile. I saw this not too long ago, so they must catch fresh crocodiles and prepare it each night to get some crocodile meat. Oops, gonna move it up. So, okay, we're almost at the end of Khoasan Road. It's a pretty cool looking house here. I'd hate to live there though. It gets really loud at night, it's crazy loud. Alright, so we're going to come up to the end here. And this will conclude everything. Khoasan Road. Still here after 40 years. And we'll conclude in a minute.